welcome back to my channel. This is Razi Maurya and here we are going to discuss about a new topic which is known as the loss and profit. Okay. Today we shall discuss on an amazing topic. This is very amazing, very interesting chapter, very interesting topic, profit and loss. And this topic is completely based on our daily life. Okay, whenever a shopkeeper buy and sells something, then he get profit and loss always. This is his routine. He always sometime gain, sometime loss. Okay, a businessman, we also, so every person in daily life get profit and sometime he get lost. So profit and loss is completely entirely on our daily life. It entirely implement in our daily life, so we can say that this is a part of our life. This is the part of our life. Without profit and loss, we cannot purchase, we cannot sell anything, so that we can say that profit and loss is part of life. Without profit or loss, no business can be run because business set up on the basis of profit and loss. If a person set up business, then his aim is always to get more profit and less loss. Okay, so that profit and loss is very important for all life, and here this is very amazing to study that I shall explain in my session. So student, listen me carefully whatever I say, and then I will show you some questions which are based on profit and loss. Okay, so let's start. If I say that if I want to set up a business, then what is my goal to set up a business? My goal is to get maximum loss, maximum profit and minimum loss. Okay, if a business is set up, okay, if a business is set up, then its goal is maximum profit, maximum profit and minimum loss. This is the goal of the business. The goal of the business is to get maximum profit and minimum loss. So if I set a business, then my first step is to purchase something. Okay. If anybody who set up the business, then their first step is to purchase, to buy, to invest money on anything. After that, we sell that object that we have bought. So on selling, after selling, if we compare the money at which we purchased and the money at which we sold, we compare which one is greater. If the money on which we sold is greater than the money on which we purchased the object, then we say that here we get profit. But if it become reverse, means that if the money at which we purchased and the money at which we sold is less than the money on which we purchased, that means that here is loss. Okay, so just suppose that if I purchase a book at rupees 100, okay, if I purchase a book at 100 and I sold it at 150 rupees, okay, so that 100 is the money on which I purchased the book and 150 is the money on which I sold the book. So if we compare both, then we can find that 50 rupees more than on selling in comparison to money on which we purchase. So here we can see that here I get 50 rupees extra than on which I purchase the book. So that I say here I get profit and how much, then answer will be of 50 rupees. Okay, so that it is the profit. This is profit. This is the profit. And if I purchase a book at rupees 100 and I sold it at rupees 80, then here we can see that the difference on the both prices are of 20 rupees. Since here the money on which I purchased the book is greater than the money on which I sold the book, therefore this 20 will represent loss and my answer will be I have a loss of 20 rupees. So these are the profit and loss that we always find in our daily life. So we can say that it play an important role in our daily life problem. So now let's start from the definition of the money on which we purchase or sold anything. So that the first definition will be cost price. Cost price. What is the cost price? In abbreviation, we write as CP, and this is defined as the money on which we purchase an object. Okay, the money on which we purchase an object, then such money is called cost price. Okay, so I wrote here the money on which we purchase anything is called cost price, is called cost price of that object. This is the cost price. If I say that I purchase a book of 100 rupees, then the CP cost price, the CP is equal to 100. Okay, so this is the cost price. So if I ask what is the cost price, then your answer will be the money at which we purchase any object is called cost price. So now let's see the next, which is known as selling price. Selling price. What is the selling price? The money on which at which the money at which we sell any object, we sell anything or object is called selling price. And in the short form it is represented by SP. Okay, so that the money at which we sell anything is called the SP of that object. So here I have taken an example. If the CP is 100 and the SP is equal to 120, then just tell me what is the money or at which we purchased the book is 100 rupees and the money at which I sold the book is 100. So that 100 is the CP. 100 is the CP of the book and 120 is the SP. That is the selling price of the book. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Now let us see the next. There are some conditions on the basis we can say that when we get profit and when we get loss. So let us see what are these conditions. Now we shall discuss about profit. Profit, or sometimes we can say gain. Profit or gain. Okay. So let us see what is the gain and what is the profit. As we know that when we purchase an object, then the money is called cost price, and the money at which we sell something is called sell price. So if we compare them, then we find that one of them is smaller than the other, or we can say that one is greater than the other. So here we can say that if selling price if selling price, that is SP, is greater than cost price, that is CP, or mathematically we can write when SP is greater than CP, then we say that here we get profit. Then we say that here we get profit. Okay, so this is the definition. If selling price is greater than cost price, then we say that here we get profit. Okay, now let us see by an example. Here CP of the book is 100 rupees. CP of the book is 100 rupees and SP of the book is 150 rupees. So when we compare, we find here 100 is less than 150. What is 100? 100 is CP, and CP is less than, what is the 150? Is SP. Okay, so here we can see that SP is greater than CP. So whenever SP is greater than CP, then we say that here we get profit. Okay, so here we can see that SP is greater than CP, therefore here always will be profit. Now let's see how we shall calculate the profit. So profit is equal to selling price of an object minus cost price cost price of an object of that object. Okay, so this is the calculation of profit. How we shall calculate the profit? We write profit is equal to selling price of an object is equal to minus cost price of that object. So in the short form as a formula, we shall write profit is equal to SP minus CP. This is the formula on which we shall calculate the profit of the selling price. Okay, so I hope it is clear what is the selling, what is the profit. Okay student, I hope it is clear to everyone. We shall discuss the next, that is the loss, in our next video. Okay, so I hope if you have any problem, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear in my next video. Till then, goodbye.